what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nikki. For those of you that do know me, you've been watching my videos, you've been super supportive along the way throughout this makeup journey of mine. Thank you so much for coming back. And for those of you that are new, welcome. I hope that you find what you're looking for in this channel, and I hope that you continue to keep coming back. Alright, yeah, so today's video is going to be a fall makeup tutorial. I was so excited to film this because I was like, oh my god, I'm ready just to know, browns, taupes, coppers, shimmers, rose gold colors, like burgundies, maroons, grays even. I'm just ready to browns. I'm just ready to play around with some fall colors. But if you know me, you know I love my bright colors, but I also love fall colors as well. So today's video is going to be on this look here. I think it is so pretty and I just love it so much. So yeah, it's kind of like a halo eye, like I really didn't know what direction I was going. I just kind of picked up the Huda Beauty palette, and I just started kind of playing with colors and stuff, and I was like, let me just film this because I don't really know what colors I'm going to use, how I'm going to do this makeup, but I do want to film it so my subscribers can see, this fall makeup look, and I absolutely love it. I love how it turned out. I think it looks really great and looks amazing. But y'all, I'm just so proud of how my brows are looking today. Like, they don't fleek today. They don't fleek today. It's for some reason when I rush to do my brows, they look awesome, but when I'm taking my time, they don't look that great. So I'm just really feeling, myself today, y'all. I'm really feeling myself today. But anywho, guys, I hope that you really enjoyed this tutorial, and of course, if you want to see how I got this look, then just continue to watch. Alright you guys, so this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and also hit that notification bell so you never ever miss an upload from me and to see future content that I post. And also give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. There will be a mini tutorial on Instagram, and I'll link my Instagram information down below so you guys can go see it there as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you coming back soon.